Lyndon and I had a one-night stay at the Argosy Hotel and Casino. We reserved a deluxe king through the Penn Play App. Private bathroom with a walk-in shower, dispenser-style shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Single sink, lighted makeup mirror, hair dryer, essential elements, amenities, and plenty of plush bath linens. Closet with hangers, ironing board, safe, and luggage rack. Pillow top king bed, nightstands on both sides of bed, plenty of lighting, plug-ins, and alarm clock. Floor-to-ceiling window. Our view was the parking lot with blackout curtains, lounge chair, ottoman, and floor lamp. The desk area with a table lamp and chair, a mini refrigerator, ice bucket, coffee maker with coffee, complimentary bottles of water, full-length mirror, peephole, extra lock, and privacy light. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.